What's up, everyone? Are you tired of interior cleaners that promise a showroom shine but just end up smearing dust around or leaving a greasy mess? Finding the right one can be a huge pain. Well, today we're fixing that. We are counting down the top 8 car interior cleaner sprays you can get right now. We'll compare them all, and by the end, we will crown one overall winner. Let's dive in. All the links for these products are waiting for you in the description below. Number 8. Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. Kicking off our list at number 8 is the Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner. This stuff is the definition of a jack-of-all-trades. You can use it on pretty much everything. Plastic, vinyl, leather, even your navigation screen. And it leaves a nice clean finish without any greasy residue. It smells fresh and it's great for your regular weekly wipe down of dust and fingerprints. But here's the catch. While it's great for light-duty work, it struggles with heavier grime and can sometimes leave streaks on glass unless you really buff it out. Think of it as a great maintainer for an already clean car, not a deep-cleaning miracle worker. Number 7. Griot's Garage Interior Cleaner. Coming in at number 7 is the Griot's Garage Interior Cleaner, and this one is for the purists. If you hate scents, dyes, and any kind of shine, this is your product. It's basically a super Sicko colorless and odorless formula that's safe on absolutely every surface, including delicate fabrics and headliners. It's fantastic for lifting everyday stains like coffee or mud and restoring that factory matte look. Its main job is just to clean, and it does that incredibly well without leaving anything behind. The trade-off is that it offers no UV protection or other frills. It's a pure, no-nonsense cleaner, period. Number 6. Meguiar's Quik Interior Detailer. At number 6, we have an absolute legend, Meguiar's Quik Interior Detailer. If you hate that greasy, glossy look that some products leave behind, this is your holy grail. Meguiar's is famous for delivering a perfect, streak-free matte finish that makes your interior look brand new and natural, not slick. It's fantastic on plastics, vinyl, and even screens, and it has UV blockers to protect your dash. Just like the others we've seen, it's not meant for deep cleaning caked on mud, but for routine dusting and wipe downs, it is one of the best and easiest to use products on the market. Number 5. Armor All Car Cleaning Wipes. Priscilla Cloak. Sliding into our number 5 spot are the Armor All Cleaning Wipes. We've all seen these and you just can't beat the convenience. Spilled a drink? Got a muddy footprint on the door? Just pull out a wipe and you're done. They are fantastic for those on-the-go emergencies. However, there's a big debate in the detailing community about wipes. They can sometimes leave a streaky or slightly oily finish, and if the container isn't sealed perfectly, they can dry out. They are perfect to keep in your glove box for quick messes, but for a true, deep clean, a spray and a microfiber towel will always be better. Number 4. Armor All Podium Series Hybrid Ceramic Protectant. At number 4, Armor All steps into the 21st century with its Podium Series Hybrid Ceramic Protectant. This isn't your dad's Armor All. It's formulated with modern SiO2 ceramic technology to not only clean, but also leave behind a durable layer of protection that repels dust and UV rays. It delivers a nice medium shine, not too greasy, not too matte, and has a surprisingly pleasant, woody, cologne-like scent. While some car enthusiasts are skeptical if it's truly different from the classic formula, it's undeniably a step up, offering better protection and a more premium feel for everyday users. Number 3. Turtle Wax Hybrid Solution Ceramic plus Graphene Inside Job. Our number 3 pick is the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Inside Job, and this thing is a tech powerhouse. It combines ceramic and graphene to clean, condition, and protect, but it also has special enzymes and Odor X technology to actively eliminate bad smells instead of just covering them up. It leaves a rich satin finish that makes colors look deeper and repels dust effectively. The formula is a little thicker and more gel-like than others, but for a single product that cleans, protects, and deodorizes, it packs an incredible amount of value and technology into one bottle. Number 2. Meguiar's Ultimate Interior Detailer. Nearing the top at number 2 is Meguiar's Ultimate Interior Detailer. Think of this as the bigger, stronger brother to the Quik Interior Detailer we saw earlier. It does everything that one does, but amps up the durability and UV protection for longer listing results. The trade-off is that it leaves a bit more of a rich satin sheen compared to the Quik's perfectly matte finish. This is the one you want for superior protection and a deeper, slightly darker look on your plastics and vinyl. A pro tip: always spray it onto your towel first, not directly onto the dash, to avoid any chance of spotting on sensitive plastics. Number 1. CarGears Super Cleaner. And our number 1 spot, the best overall car interior cleaner, goes to the CarGears Super Cleaner. This product is a fan favorite for one simple reason. It is an absolute beast. Unlike many products on this list that are detailers, this is a true, powerful, all-purpose cleaner that can handle almost anything you throw at it. It lifts tough stains from carpet and upholstery, cleans grimy plastic and vinyl, and is even safe on leather. It does all this without harsh chemicals and comes as a kit with a high-quality microfiber towel. It is, without a doubt, the most versatile and effective one-bottle solution for nearly any mess inside your car. The final verdict and the winner. Alright, so let's wrap this up. If you want a perfectly matte finish for daily dusting, Meguiar's Quik Detailer is king. If you need serious odor-fighting tech, Turtle Wax Inside Job is your go-to. But if you're looking for the one bottle that does it all, the one that has the raw power to remove tough stains from fabric and the finesse to safely clean your dashboard, our clear winner is the CarGears Super Cleaner. Its incredible versatility and cleaning power put it at the top of our list. So that's my list. What do you think? What's your go-to interior cleaner? Drop a comment down below and let me know if I missed your favorite. If this video helped you out, give it a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, all the links are in the description. Catch you later.